pretty snowscape. We're going to capture a little bit of larger cross road. Continuing.
Total distance 11 miles. Total time 59 minutes and 17 seconds. Split speed 10.1 miles per hour.
Continuing toward Bedminster. These conditions, these gravel and dirt roads feel nice. Let's get that added grip. I mean, there's some sections that are icy, but the surface itself, the big surface, feels pretty good. It's so pretty. Oh, punker moment there. Things you're out on these roads you have to do in these snowy sections and icy sections is really be super smooth with your pedaling and minimize steering input. Like lean, don't turn. Because back end comes out so quickly, pretty easily go down. Winter really does have its own beauty. Section like this, you have to be really, really smooth. I think this winter riding will help my balancing skills, strengthening my internal gyroscope, will help me in the rest of the season.
Total distance 12 miles. Total time 1 hour 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Split speed 12.6 miles per hour.
I set out to do about 20, 22 miles depending on the day. But even geared up, it's just you don't want to be out here for more than 2 hours. It's just not fun. After 2 hours, it's like, just get me home, get me in the shower. I do love it. Look at that beautiful horse. And go look at it. Hey, buddy. It's just out here walking around in the field. Yeah, I'd come over to say hi if I could. But I don't think the owner will like that. You doing okay? Yeah, you doing okay? Yeah. Nice dance. Alright, GoPro, stop recording.